Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download Frollo app into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Play Store if Frollo is available into your region. Otherwise, just simply open your Google Chrome and after that search for Frollo app, and after that so many options will appear in order to install and download the application. If it's available into your region, you can choose this Play Store link directly and it will lead you to your Play Store. And if it's available, you can install it from here, but it's not available into mine, so it is showing this item is not available into your country. And now after doing this, your application will be installed. But if you don't have that available, you just simply have to wait for the application to be available into your region, and after that you can easily download that. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.